me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. Let's go. I'm about to go.
Okay, gang. Once again, East Coast Power Sports has been given exclusive access to the hot shop at Torque here in Moncton. Thanks, Jen Landry, as we get ready to unbox and show you what we've all been waiting for.
Look at that dark camo. Look at how sick that is.
And that's the 2026 Outlander Backcountry. 101 horsepower. This thing comes stacked. Stick around. We're going to show you everything.
This tastes bad to you. Look at how awesome this thing was just in the crate.
It's a new camo.
It's a new camo. It's dark. They call it dark wild camo, I think it is.
I like that.
And I love it.
Because he was telling me that they sit higher.
Yep.
They have a lift on them, and they have bigger tires.
Come with 30 inches. They come with bead locks.
Yeah.
This one in terms of actual performance and stuff like that, out of the field.
Yeah.
This is a much better, much more capable bike because the backcountry is sort of a blend between the XMR. With the XMR and the backcountry is kind of like has a lot of the features that the XMR has. That the Outlander.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Comes with everything you need.
She's a beauty.
It's got a winch, it's got some skid plates,
Love it, jealous.
30-inch tires, and shocks that are rebuildable.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Thanks, Jen Landry. Thanks, Torque Mortorsports. Of course, thanks, Phil and the whole team. You can see there's a lot of action going on, so it's actually really awesome that they'll let us come back in here and get the kind of looks that nobody else is actually getting.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that was hot. Not so much that. I like.
Damn. Yeah.
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 Who's back with you? Wait, goes this side, right? That's why I came over here.
Damn. Yeah. 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 Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
This is what I do. I just talk to myself the whole time, whispers, and then later I watch the footage back and I hear myself talking, going, cut, cut, cut.
Probably makes it a little easier to edit.
So, 3 bars in it. Uh-oh. Is it time?
Yeah.
thing. Like the people that build them.
Yeah, correct.
No.
If they wanted to take some extra time, they could just put a plug in it on the powder coat line, and it wouldn't get anything in there. But guys, it's Brack here from East Coast Power Sports Adventures. I'm standing beside a 2026 Can-Am Backcountry 1000R, and it's in dark wild camo, and I think this thing just looks sick. It's one of the few ATVs out there that come with 30-inch tires from the factory. It's got painted bead lockers on the tires already. It's got a Showa shock system. Lots of adjustment in the shock system here. Full 2-inch receiver hitch for all the work you need to do around the yard. I don't know, it's tough to say anything other than this just looks amazing. Super Tech Phil doing the PDI on her, getting ready for the customer. 13 inches of ground clearance. This thing's just a monster out in the bush. 1000R, what's that, 101 horse there, Phil? That's 101 horsepower. That'll spin those 30s.
It's the best looking bike we have.
I agree.
Best deal.
I agree.
And they're not going to stay long. So if you have the money, I would jump on it right away.
See? Not only is he a super tech, he's a super sales guy too.
There you go.
Comes with the handle, the grips too, the grip frames, and the hand grips or hand protectors.
It also has a handlebar riser.
Oh, it does.
Yes, sir. So
It comes with the factory, the riser.
it's
See?
factory.
This is amazing, guys. This thing is a monster.
Has everything.
You know what? I call this a bit of a unicorn because there's not many of these things around. This is the first one we built this year. This is the first one we ever built, isn't it, Phil?
Yep.
This is our first 2026 backcountry, guys. Look at that dark camo, that wild camo. I just think that's amazing looking. Black, the green.
Thanks to Torque and Jen at Torque Mortorsports. We're getting a sneak peek right in the back shop while they build it.
This is exclusive footage for us, guys. We have not put one of these out of our showroom yet. This is the very first one to go. Monster ground clearance on this thing. $101,000cc V-twin Rotax. All our ATVs, the clutching system, the primary is a P-drive clutch. Very, very robust, very good clutching system. Buttery smooth, eh, Phil? Buttery smooth.
So I did say that you would probably show back up again when it was getting close to time to take it out for a test rip. So I guess we must be getting close, guys. I know Phil's got a little bit of work left to do on it here. And some hand grips, and he's got to get it on the computer and make sure that everything's
Within spec?
within spec, so it's perfect for the customer. And then he gets to take it on a little test drive.
Phil's a lucky, beautiful machine. Those 30s, I'm Listen to that thing, guys. Look at the grin on Super Tech Phil's face, buddy. Oh, yeah.